If you've been following along this series, you know we've been building everything around our IAV framework. Imagine, activate, and validate. We've set up our business goals, and now we need to create the tactical marketing assets that support these goals. Forms are absolutely critical because they're how you capture contacts and track conversions that validate your progress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use active intelligence to build and refine your form. Let's jump in. First, we're going to start from our business goals dashboard. Click on the existing business goal we created in our previous video. Next, we want to bring up the active intelligence sidebar. Remember, this sidebar is context aware, meaning it can provide context and insights on what you're seeing in the platform. Click the active intelligence icon in the top left corner of your screen. The active intelligence sidebar will open, and we can prompt something like this. Create a new subscription form to use for my business goal. The active intelligence sidebar sees and understands the business goal and goes to work. And in moments, you have a form built and ready for review. Now, I do like this form, it looks good, but I want to make some quick changes. I'm going to prompt, change the CTA button to a darker blue and add a phone number field. Perfect. Now I'm feeling a little more comfortable about this form. Oh wait, you know what? I almost forgot this part. Make sure that those who submit this form are added to my priority list. Oh wow. So active intelligence in this case confirms that this was already actioned. Going forward, you'll also see this form listed as an asset in the business goal. Just to close the loop, let's add this form to a live page on my website. I'll pull up that form, and at the top right, I'm going to click Publish. There are a few integration options to choose from, but if you want a simple way to add and manage a form on your site, I would recommend the Simple Embed option. When using Wix, click Add Elements, and then find the option to add an embed code. And then I can paste the embed code here. Please search your provider's help documentation to find where to add the embed code. Now, before we wrap up, let me share a few pro tips. First, don't just build forms based on what you think you need. Let active intelligence analyze your goals and suggest the optimal approach. Second, keep forms as simple as possible. Only ask for information you absolutely need at this stage. You can always collect more details later. Third, make your call to action specific and benefit driven. For example, download your free guide might perform better than submit. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. And please also leave a comment below to share what you've been able to create with active intelligence. I'd love to hear what you're up to. In our next video, we'll continue building business goal assets. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.